Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a drone that packs quite a few features, especially considering its target audience. This is the orange 4K HD dual camera GPS drone with visual obstacle avoidance and 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. It comes in a vibrant orange color and has a size that suggests it's likely foldable, making it quite portable at roughly 11 by 11 inches when unfolded, and just over 2 inches thick. Right off the bat, the standout features are the dual cameras and the visual obstacle avoidance system. Having dual cameras is great for getting different perspectives, and while the sensors are advertised as 4K, the video capture resolution is listed as 1080p. This means you'll get high-definition video, which is still excellent for sharing online, and the 12-megapixel still photos should capture plenty of detail. The 5G Wi-Fi connectivity is key here, enabling that HD image transmission over a good distance. Speaking of distance, this drone boasts a long-distance control and HD image transmission range of up to 1,200 meters. That's a significant range for exploring and capturing footage from afar. Stability is crucial for good aerial shots, and this drone uses both GPS and optical flow positioning. GPS is fantastic for outdoor flight, allowing the drone to hold its position accurately even in some wind, while optical flow helps with stable hovering, especially indoors or at lower altitudes where GPS signals might be weak. This combination makes it much easier for beginners to control and get smooth footage. Now, the visual obstacle avoidance system is a major safety feature, particularly valuable for new pilots. It helps prevent collisions by detecting obstacles in the drone's path, adding a layer of confidence and reducing the risk of damaging the drone. This is a feature often found on more expensive models, so seeing it here is a big plus. Powering the drone are modular smart batteries. The product comes with 3 batteries, and each one provides an average flight time of around 18 minutes. Having 3 batteries included is fantastic, as it gives you a total potential flight time of over 50 minutes, significantly extending your flying sessions without needing to recharge constantly. The modular design also makes swapping batteries quick and easy. Overall, this drone is positioned as beginner-friendly, and with features like GPS, optical flow, and especially visual obstacle avoidance, it certainly seems to live up to that. It's controlled via an app, which is standard for most modern drones, giving you access to flight controls, camera settings, and potentially intelligent flight modes. The long battery life, thanks to the multiple included batteries, is another strong point. It offers a compelling package for someone looking to get into the drone hobby with advanced safety and stability features without necessarily jumping into the highest price brackets. The combination of HD cameras, reliable positioning, and obstacle avoidance makes it a very capable option for capturing aerial photos and videos.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.